HeyGen here. What if I showed you a fun and easy way to send Christmas greetings to your friends and family for free? Like taking your own photo and creating something awesome like this.
Hey, this is Mike. Just sending you my warmest wishes and blessings this Christmas season.
Or have a little fun and do this.
From the tip of my pointy ears to the bell on my shoe, I'm wishing a very Merry Christmas to you.
And did I mention you can do all this for free? It's super easy and fun, so let's get started. If you like this sort of content, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right in. Open up a browser and go to playground.com. This is a free text or image-to-image generator that you can use for free. For a detailed tutorial on how to use Playground, click on the link in the description. Now once you're logged in, make sure you have a photo of yourself ready. To save you time and energy, I spent a ton of time fine-tuning the parameters to get it just right, and I'm going to give you the exact specifications, and all you need to do is copy the parameters and the settings. First, let's input the negative text into the exclude from image box. These are the things we don't want to appear in our image. Next, upload your photo to the image-to-image box by clicking on the plus button. Set the image strength to 60, set the prompt guidance to 30, change the quality and details to 70, and make sure the number of images is set at once so you don't quickly reach your daily image generation limit. Now go to Filter and select the ProtoVision V6.3 filter. Click on the generation frame and type in the following prompt. And click Generate. Once it's done generating, you should get something like this. By adjusting the image strength, you get varied results. When an image comes out weird or distorted, just delete and regenerate. To download the image, right-click on the image and click Download. I'm going to use these two images. With the images saved, it's time to animate it. Go to HeyGen and sign up if you don't have an account. Sign up link is in the description. Once you're in, click on Avatar. Click on Photo Avatar and click Upload to upload your elf image. Once it's uploaded, click on Template. Click Create your first template. I want to send my Christmas greeting video over mobile devices, so I'll change the template orientation to Portrait. Add your avatar by clicking on Photo Avatar. Click and drag it onto the template. Adjust it so it fits just right. I want the background to be animated, so I'll need to remove the background on the image by clicking on Remove Avatar Background. Now you can add a background by clicking on Element. You can choose from the library of stock videos and search for specific types of videos such as Christmas videos. You can search their stock image library as well. There's other elements you can add such as stickers and icons. If you have your own video or image, you can upload it to assets by clicking on the Upload Asset button. I've already uploaded a video I wanted to use, so I'll drag that over to the template. Now it's time to give it a voice. I'll paste in the script I wanted to say and add some commas for slight pauses. You can choose the voice style and search by gender. I'll search for a male voice. I found Tony's voice to be most suitable for this project. Now I picture elves having a higher pitched voice, so increasing the pitch to 40% worked best for me. Test the voice out by clicking Play Script.
Hey, this is Mike. Just sending you my warmest wishes and blessings this Christmas season. Don't you find me adorable?
Perfect. Now save changes, click the back button and click on the template we just made. Click Use this template. Hit the Submit button to have it start generating. Once it's done generating, hit the Download button. But what about the other image? Just go back to the photo avatar and delete the one we just used and upload the other elf photo image. Repeat the steps for creating the template. Now you can do something different and add text using the text tool. I'll use one of the font templates. Type in your own text, make some adjustments to the alignment, change the color, add some Christmas sticker elements, paste in the script and choose the voice style, and generate. Now here's a little secret I want to share with you since you made it this far. Open up a browser and go to Pexels.com. Pexels is a 100% free image and video site you can use for personal or commercial use. You can search for Christmas videos and there's huge stockpiles of videos and images, all for free, so knock yourself out. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.